should I say Lincoln people, because I am back with another installment of lenses for the Lincoln Continentals. My buddy Brad Davis sent me another one, and these are for the reading lights that are above the opera windows in Lincoln Continentals. Specifically, the 70's Lincoln Continentals. Actually, if you have them in the Mercurys or the Fords, the high-end ones, then you can have those too. But today we're going to be looking at ones, and this guy's dedicated himself to getting you those parts that are not available at Lincoln Land, at all those other places, not on eBay. Unless you get the OEM ones, and then you don't know if they're going to be crappy when you get them home and get them out of the box, or when they get home and get out of the box. So, let's do that today on Skaggs Garage. Davis Auto Parts, my buddy Brad. You can find him on Facebook Marketplace, on eBay, and he's a member of the Dead Gents, which I'm rocking today. Dead Gents Motor Club. That's our Facebook page for my car club, and you should go there and check them out. Got your little plug there, Crannick. And he sent me two packages, one containing the rear lenses for the reading lights, and the second package containing the actual production models of the vanity lenses, the ones that I reviewed in the last video. And I'll put a link to that video somewhere. You know how YouTubers do. And so we have the vanity lenses here, and we have the ones for the reading lights for the rear seats. You know, you can really tell the quality on the production models that Brad put out versus the prototypes that I got, which the prototypes were great, but these you can actually see the Lincoln logo in the back. We're gonna put these in and see how they fit. All right, the back seat of Claudine Valdez. Can you see it? What we have, it's typical of these lights. Now, as I mentioned before, I replaced all my interior lights with the exception of the dash with LED lights. But the incandescent bulb will burn the lenses. And it makes them brittle, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's misshapen, where it's actually melted and warped. So basically they don't stay in the housing for the light. And what we have here is a new one. Alright, well, all that's left is to put these in. That's it. Such a simple installation. Let's try it out. Oh, we have light. Yeah. On a long road trip. You know, I'm bored looking at the scenery. I think I'll do some reading. Yeah. See what page I'm on. Yeah, I'm tired of reading. I think I'll take a nap. Let me turn this light out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what we do. You know, every luxury car has amenities like this for the passengers. All right. Good night. You still here? Get out of here.